Underway with the USL Championships Monday Night Football match. It is Loudoun United hosting Hartford Athletic.
And he's a player that you want to get going if you're Hartford Athletic as well. Danny Barrera, great ball.
Curling around the outside. Nice little cut back, and this shot is in from Prince Saydee. And Hartford have a dream beginning under a new manager. Utter shock in Loudoun.
We talk about having relationships with the player in front of you. As Rito pushes wide, Saydee comes into the interior and just breaks the line. Little bit of it.
Away from Landry, it's still alive. Ryan through. Landry cuts it across. There's the tap in. Jackson Hopkins the finish.
See, now you're in trouble. Just watch the...
Watch out.
Turned over. That is Williamson. Williamson! He's waited all night for this moment. It's arrived. Loudoun lead.
To sniff out a half opportunity as Rod plays this square. That's a big no-no, especially in your defensive half. But what ensues? Composure, quality of the highest order. Picks his...
And that is finally full time. It took 4 hours and 18 minutes, but Loudoun move above the playoff line by finding their winner after a 2.5 hour lightning delay.